Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Haitian with Faye. I am Faye. Today I'm going to go through a mock conversation that you would perhaps use with another Haitian you met at a park or perhaps at the mall. So the title of this lesson is Faire connaissance. Faire connaissance, which in English mean get acquainted with someone. So if you meet someone, the first thing you would say would be, hello, hi. Vous c'est Haitien? It's something that Haitians love to say to people that they think look Haitian. The first question they would ask them in Haitian Creole would be, vous c'est Haitien? Vous c'est Haitien? Like we're hoping that you are. And of course, if that person is actually Haitian, she would probably say, oui, je suis Haitien natif natal. Yes, I was born and bred in Haiti. Oui, moi c'est Haitien natif natal. Yes, I was born and bred in Haiti. Yeah, c'est ça me dépensé. Yeah, I thought so. Donc, qui j'en relais? What's your name? Donc, qui j'en relais? What's your name? Perhaps the person would say, moi relais Azura ciel bleu. Moi relais Azura ciel bleu. My name is Azura ciel bleu. My name is Azura ciel bleu. Ah, ou ka parler plus doucement, m'attendez. Ou ka parler plus doucement, m'attendez. Can you speak slower, please? I couldn't hear you. Can you speak slower, please? I couldn't hear you. Azura. Azura. Non bel en pile. You have a beautiful name. Missy. Thank you. Ask the person name. If he's interested in knowing who you are, of course he's gonna ask for your name back, right? So the way you say that is, eu, qui j'en relais? How about you? What is your name? Eu, qui j'en relais? Eu, qui j'en relais? How about you? What's your name? Mwele Mara. Mwele Mara. As you may notice, while I go to this conversation, I use a lot of contraction. The subject is contracted. Mwele Mara. If you were writing this very sentence, you would say Mwele Mara. So everything in academic Haitian Creole is spelled out. But when you are speaking, everything is contracted. It sounds more natural, if that makes any sense. Mrele Mara. Mrele Mara. My name is Mara. The next question that may come up would be, Où était précis là? Hoping that person live close by so we can get together. Où était précis là? Do you live close by? Où était précis là? Do you live close by? Mrete na Marion, oui. I live in Marion. Mrete la Marion, oui. I live in Marion. Moi-même too. Moi-même too. Which means, me too. On fait échange numéro de téléphone pour une kakembe contact. On fait échange numéro de téléphone pour une kakembe contact. On fait échange numéro de téléphone pour une kakembe contact. Let's exchange phone numbers so we can keep in touch. Let's exchange phone numbers so that we can keep in touch, right? Bon l'idée, mais pamna. Bon l'idée, mais pamna. Great idea, here is my phone number. Great idea, here is my phone number. Bon l'idée, mais pamna. You didn't hear the word phone in this sentence because it was omitted. We talked about here's my phone number, let's exchange phone number. So in the next sentence we're not gonna talk about phone number again. My interlocutor know what I'm talking about, the person that is listening know what I'm talking about, so no more phone number is gonna be repeated. We're gonna say me pamna, here is mine. Me pamna, here is mine. Of course, now it's time for me to go run or go do my errand. So I would say Male, passe bon après-midi. Bye, have a good afternoon. Ou même tout. Likewise. Basically, ou même tout is translated literally as likewise. Likewise. In any case, this is all for today. I hope you have a wonderful afternoon. And if you have any question, always leave them in the comment below. If you have any subject that you would like for me to cover, leave them in the comment below. All right, until next lessons, Malay.